You can see I'm sniffing it again and again because the dry down or the middle notes, they are really good. They are really good. I'm saying this again and again. In this video, I'm going to test another amazing scent from Kashti Perfumes, and this has been sent to me from India. Lots of love and respect to Indian perfumers. This one is by Divyam Trivedi and I am really mesmerized. I have just reviewed one perfume in the last video, and let's find out and review another one from this series. These are niche natural fragrances. Don't try to mix them with designer fragrances. Designer fragrances or even niche fragrances, they don't even come close to these fragrances. This is art. This is just pure art in perfumery. So thanks a lot Divyam Trivedi for sending me these perfumes. So today I am going to explore is a Suroor or Suroor.
Suroor.
So let's try this out. Suroor means calmness. So it is kind of like some spiritual thing. Spirituality, when you are very calm, you are relaxed, your spirit is just delighted. So this is kind of like what Suroor means. So let's spray it on a strip. I am really sorry to be spraying it on a strip because these creations should be tested on skin. I have two hands, so I can only test two of them. Right now I'm recording all the videos in a sequence because today I had some time to record these. So let's spray the Suroor on a strip of paper. Oh, this is so in very different direction. I think it is iris, I'm not sure, but this use of iris and florals is really amazing. I think there might be champaka or iris, I'm not sure. Oh. So this is kind of like spiritual scents you get when you visit a shrine, at least a shrine from Islamic background, like saints from Islam or maybe other shrines. But this is a very well done interpretation of that. It is not the same, but it has a very vibrant scent profile that lingers toward that. If you have sniffed an agarbatti or incense sticks, this is kind of like the most premium or most luxurious kind of incense stick you are burning. So it is kind of like liquid form of that incense stick. Yes, so this is spiritual. This is incensey. This is kind of like you are burning an incense stick with some florals, maybe some iris. I'm not sure it has iris or not. Divyam Trivedi, my friend, you can comment in the comment section and tell me if there is some iris in it or there is some jasmine, but this has been mixed and blended too good. So this is very difficult to pinpoint some of the notes, but I am sensing jasmine over here. It is very powerful. It is really powerful. It is kind of like an incense stick. Just imagine an incense stick that has a flower exploding behind it. So it is just like a flower that is actually becoming a full flower, and this is really amazing. It just shifts between floral background and then again it comes to the incensey, and then again it is wet floral, and then again it is incensey. This is really great. Amazingly done. Incensey, floral, light, wet kind of perfume. This is Suroor by Kashti Perfumes. I haven't sniffed these kind of scent profiles, although we are familiar with these incense kind of sticks that we burn on graves and in graveyards. But this is kind of like the top notch, premium, luxurious, very different approach to incensey kind of perfumes. Now I am getting musk, light florals and musk. So this is light incensey, musk and florals. The dry down or this mid notes, they are my favorite. I didn't enjoy the top notes that much, but this one is now where it is getting in a very, very different and very lovely direction. This is really good. So now I'm going to rate it. Suroor from Kashti Perfumes, I'm going to rate it like 9 out of 10 or maybe 8 out of 10 for scent profile. I didn't enjoy the top note much, but the middle notes or dry down where it is getting now is really, really good. Now about the performance, I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. I think it is going to be very strong. It has a very strong vibe. Once you spray it, it's going to be exploding in the room, I think. Yes, and I think it is for mature men, or maybe women or people that are related to spirituality, or they love meditating or something like that. So this is kind of like meditation kind of perfume. That is why it says Suroor, and I enjoyed Suroor a lot. You can see I'm sniffing it again and again because the dry down or the middle notes, they are really, really good. They are really good. I'm saying this again and again. Yes, this is really good. The floral touch to this incensey agarbatti kind of flavor is so good, so good. Very well done, very well done. So this is my review about Suroor from Kashti Perfumes, named Ocean of Scents. You can see I am right now swimming in the ocean of scents. Okay, so this is my second perfume I'm reviewing, and I'm really delighted. Other people might have different opinions. If I apply it on my skin, it might go or might win my heart. I might give 9 out of 10, but right now 8 out of 10 for performance and 9 out of 10 for 9 out of 10 for performance, 8 out of 10 for scent profile. I hope stay tuned, and if you have tried Suroor from Kashti Perfumes, make sure you write in the comment section below, or any perfume from Kashti Perfumes. He is a great artist from India, and I really prayed a long time to reach these fragrances to me. Okay, so take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.